In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clear, filterable Airtable dashboard using Interface Designer. By the end, you'll have a streamlined view of your records that helps your team focus on what matters most. We'll start by preparing your data because a great dashboard is only as accurate as the tables behind it. Make sure your tables are organized with a clear purpose for each one and that field types match the kind of information they store. Use number for quantities and rates, currency for amounts, date for due dates or created dates, and single select for statuses or categories. If your information spans multiple tables, set up linked records. So, for example, invoices connect to clients or invoice items connect to invoices. This lets your dashboard pull context without duplication. Create formula or roll-up fields where you need calculated results, such as a total amount that multiplies quantity by rate, or a roll-up that sums line items to an invoice total. As you tidy up, standardize single select options, fix typos, and confirm that dates and currencies are consistent. Clean, well-typed data prevents errors and ensures your dashboard reflects reality. Next, open your base and go to Interfaces. Click Create an Interface, then choose Start from Scratch. When prompted, select your main table, like Invoices. Picking the right main table defines what your users will primarily browse, so choose the table that best represents the records you want to highlight. Now add your record lists. Click Add Element, then choose Record List. This displays a scrollable set of records with fields you can show, sort, and filter. Create a focused view for overdue invoices by filtering to records where the due date is before today and the status isn't paid. Build a recent invoices view by narrowing to records from a recent time window, such as the past month. Finally, add a high-value clients view by filtering clients whose total billed amount exceeds a threshold that's meaningful to your team. As you configure each list, surface the most helpful fields like client name, amount, due date, and status, so users can scan and act quickly. Sorting by urgency or amount can make these views even more actionable. When your dashboard looks good, click Share to give access to your team. Decide who should view it and ensure they have the right level of access for the role. Sharing from here keeps everyone aligned without exposing unnecessary fields from your base. That's it. With clean data, targeted record lists, and simple sharing, you've built a reliable dashboard your team can use with confidence.